By following this method, you can build a sturdy and durable foundation. First, dig a pit about 2 meters deep in a crisscross pattern across the ground. Then, use a large pump truck to quickly pour a mixture of cement, gravel, and sand into the pit. Control the pouring height to leave about 20 centimeters from the surface. Once the surface is leveled and hardened, draw a straight line in the center and carefully measure the exact height around the edges. Next, mark points every 20 centimeters along the line and use thick steel bars to create the rebar framework, known as ground dragon. Ensure short steel bars are embedded in advance and securely tied together. Stack the steel bars in an interlaced manner to reach a height of about 1 meter. Add vertical bars at all corners to enhance structural stability. Then, use 30-centimeter wide panels to tightly enclose each corner, forming the necessary initial template. The next step is pouring concrete, which is relatively straightforward. Allow the concrete to harden and shrink for several days, then slightly adjust the width on both sides and install a narrower secondary template for final adjustments. While this process may seem complex, it is actually quite manageable. With this, the first phase is complete. The detailed steps that follow are crucial. First, attach a thick layer of foam boards to both the inside and outside of the foundation as insulation. Then, fill and compact the internal gaps to ensure stability. Lay a moisture barrier, spread a layer of gravel on the surface, and cover it with another layer of foam boards to provide both moisture protection and insulation. From here, the work becomes much simpler. Lay and secure a steel mesh across the entire surface and erect 15-centimeter high wooden planks around the perimeter as formwork. Finally, wet the surface slightly and pour concrete over it. With this, a sturdy, high-quality, full-coverage foundation is successfully completed. If the quality score is out of 100, how many points would you give this foundation?